Dear friend, I understand how chaotic life can be, especially when you're juggling in between career and family. It makes you feel that you don't have time to do almost anything else, especially making time to exercise. But being busy is not a good excuse not to take care of your body and your health. In fact, it will cause more damage than it will do good when you skipped doing exercise altogether. Here are 3 consequences of not exercising regularly. Number 1, depression and anxiety. In a 2013 study published in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine, researchers confirmed that people who don't exercise have a higher risk of depression. This explains why people who exercise regularly always have a positive outlook in life. Number 2, weak joints and bones, which affects your mobility. Not exercising regularly will weaken your joints and bones. It will make it hard for you to move, especially when you age. Number 3, you'll get sick easily. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services warns in their official statement that if you don't exercise regularly, it will increase the risk of you to be exposed to major diseases, heart disease, diabetes, colon cancer, and high blood pressure. You may be thinking, I'm already too busy. I don't have time to go to the gym and spend long hours there like most people I know. The good news is, you don't have to spend working out long hours at the gym because I've developed simple and easy to follow 15 to 25 minute exercises that you can do at home, which will help you be in the best shape of your life, improve your general well-being, and boost your health. What I'll be sharing with you are the exercise programs that are proven scientifically to help you get the maximum results with minimum time. That's right, you can expect results faster with these exercises and even get better results compared to those working out at the gym. Introducing Functional Fitness, training methodology for real-life application. Functional Fitness is the ultimate guide for people who want to start exercising to be healthy, move better, and look at their very best, all without spending hours in the gym to look like a fitness supermodel. What you're about to discover in this guide is everything you need to know about getting started with functional fitness. Plus, you get an exercise program that you can follow starting today. If you want to get in the best shape of your life, boost your health, improve your general well-being, and lead a better life, then you should grab a copy of Functional Fitness. Here are the things you will discover in Functional Fitness. The real reason why many people are demotivated to work out and how this simple trick will help you combat this problem. Why you should drop the weights and start working out with your body weights. Aiming for the perfect 10-10 body? Here's why you should drop that idea for now. Chapter 1. Why morning working out will give you better results compared to other times in the day. Why a 15-minute functional exercise is better than working out for 2 hours in the gym. 3 main benefits of functional fitness. Read this if you've been feeling grumpy and demotivated. This simple technique will help shine positivity back into your life. Chapter 3. The differences between functional fitness and 3 other popular types of exercises. Avoid these 4 common mistakes people make when getting started with functional fitness. Is dieting the main solution for weight issues? 8 exercises to build your power and strength. Why having massive strength and power will be useless without a good range of flexibility. 3 simple exercises to keep you flexible. Tired of running up and down the stairs? If yes, you need to improve the 4th component of functional fitness. 3 simple exercises to improve your balance and endurance, and so much more waiting to be uncovered inside. This is the golden key for those who want to be in the best shape of their life, boost their health, improve general well-being, improve mobility and flexibility, feel better about their body, lead a healthier and happier life, be positive, high energy, and motivated. So here's the good news. You get the functional fitness at a low one-time investment. Just know that this ultimate guide is worth so much more than what I'm offering to you right now, but I'll only be charging you a tiny fraction of its total value. The best part, you can be in the best shape of your life, all by just working out for 15 minutes at home. All you have to do from here onwards is apply what you learned from the functional fitness for the next 30 days. And if you fail to see any improvements in your health, just return your order within 30 days for a full refund. Fair enough? You have my word on it. But wait! There's more. If you get functional fitness right now, you will get these bonuses. Bonus number 1, complete checklist. This checklist contains a step-by-step action plan for you to make sure you get the full benefits of functional fitness. By simply breaking one huge topic into easily digestible chunks, you get absolute clarity inclusive of easy-to-follow action steps. Bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map. This mind map is perfect for visual learners. It outlines everything you're going to discover throughout the entire course. With just a glance, you will have a clear picture of what to expect and absorb so much more than reading through Functional Fitness by Pages. You get all these bonuses absolutely free only if you act today. So why wait? Click the button below right now before the price goes up.